Hi all, this is Stephen with Expedition Builds. You know, as our Jeeps evolve and as we build them up, they become taller and taller, right? I know stock, it was pretty easy to get in and out of the Jeep. It certainly wasn't that hard for my wife and family. Then I went to a 3.5 inch lift, 35 inch tires, and now it was becoming a little bit of a challenge, especially for my wife and girls to get comfortably in and out of the Jeep. Then I built for 37s. Once the 37s went on, it was near impossible for them to make that step. So what do? Let's take a look at my solution. I think you'll like this. And here's the solution. Rockside Engineering's Step Sliders. These are a boat side style slider that mount using the factory holes and hardware. They provide protection on the toughest trails while incorporating an electrically operated drop down step, providing easy access in and out of my Jeep for both front and rear passengers. I installed these myself in my driveway. Let's take a quick look at what comes in the box. Rockside did a great job with the packaging and shipping on these, as everything arrived in perfect condition. As soon as you open the box and start to unpack, you're going to be very impressed with the quality of the components inside. After removing my factory rock rails, I installed the new RSE brackets, 3 on each side, bolted to the frame. Next, we'll mount the sliders directly to these brackets, 4 bolts at each mounting location. The sliders also feature 8 pinch seam bolts, which will draw the slider nice and tight up against the body of the Jeep. I thought these brackets provided an excellent mounting point for my rock lights. Next up is installing the wiring harnesses. Rockside gives you a complete set, everything cut to length and ready to go. And here they are installed. I love the clean lines of these and how well this design works with the Jeep. All right, let's see them in action. Rockside rates these up to a Class 5 trail rating. Beyond that, you should consider getting their additional skid plate system. Here's a look at that. I hope you've enjoyed this review of Rockside Engineering's Step Sliders. These have been a great addition to my Jeep and one I could recommend to any Jeeper. Please be sure and hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment, as I would love hearing from you. I have more great content headed your way. Until then, stay safe and we'll see you on the trails.